Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking the R32 on a Touge. We're going to be meeting up with my brother Greg and his RX-7 and we're going to go out on the Touge together. So we're here at Wash Club, giving the cars a quick wash. This is the gig. This is my brother. He's got this single turbo 300 kilowatt RX-7. Slammed out on some Workmeisters. Alright, we're gonna go pick up a videographer. He's gonna come along for a ride. So we're just here at this guy's house. His name's Leo. Check him out on Instagram, shots by Leo. Sweet, so we just picked up Leo.
Yo.
And we're gonna go to the Touge and take some vids. So we're just here mounting up the cameras. Yeah, car's fairly good. Hopefully this GoPro doesn't come off on the run. So we're just about to head to the Touge now. Yeah, rotors, that's flames so easy.
Yeah, my mate's one does, man. It's crazy. He didn't even know it did, bro. He was just like, had it like high revs, let go, and it's just holds like blue flames, man. Surely, yeah.
I don't really know these roads, so we're just going to take it easy.
That's all good. Didn't have any gas, like it just had a leak.
Oh yeah, because that was modern.
That's a 2010. Anything with a turbo has an aircon.
At least my car's like nice and high.
Yeah.
Whereas he's pretty low.
The benefits, eh?
Yeah.
My dad, bro, like straight up, sacked as full centre right here, bro. Fucking brick is
here?
Nah.
Oh.
This other street.
Oh, we lost power.
Serious?
On my dash.
Oh shit, no, the glove box is broken.
Oh yeah, that's always broken.
Oh shit.
I wonder if something in the boot hit my battery, because I've got a cutout switch in the boot.
Oh, maybe all the shit that we have.
Yeah, it might have just nicked it.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll better check it. Yeah, so we had a power cut from, we had a bunch of camera stuff in the boot, and I've got like a circuit breaker in the boot, and it slid it as we went around that corner. it hit the circuit breaker, but it didn't like flicker right off. So I lost power and I was like, what's going on? And then it all came back on. So I thought it better just check, and yeah, we're all good now. So
Back at it.
back at it. Gotta love the smell of a two-stroke, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Two-stroke.
I used to sit up there, bro.
Yeah. We'll have a looky. So the blower valve sounded real weird. last little bit, so we pulled over just to check. Everything sounds sweet as, so not really too worried, just gonna keep going. It's the baddie. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys the engine bay. He's running a real similar turbo to me. Got a nice big Borg Warner down there, single turbo. I think he's running a Borg Warner 362 and I've got a 364. Conveniently, we just parked up on a massive skidding section. But we're not like that. We don't do stuff like that. We're just going to do some drive-by shots now. It wasn't us, guys. So we're here post Touge, just getting some photos of the cars. Pretty fun run, to be honest. Didn't really know what we were doing, but it was a good drive. All these bugs, man.
You rinsed that little freaking that big gap there.
Oh yeah, that massive dip. Like I saw you hit it, your wheels like smoke, bro.
Yeah.
And then we hit it, and I slowed down for it, and it was still like.
Bro, you're heavy in the audio, bro. I was like, oh.
How bad's the rubbish?
Someone's got to roll some guards tonight.
Oh, that bit's still folded up.
Yeah, it just re comes out, eh? I need to roll it right around so the tyre can't touch it all.
Yeah.
I just don't get how it pulls it out.
It'll go past it, and then on your way back, when you turn back.
But the tyre's going that way, you'd think it would. Oh, I don't know.
It would be just the movement of the tyre, just going. It's like the GoPro stayed on. Bro, it's actually so solid. Like you couldn't even pull it off if you tried, to be honest. Like it's actually pretty good. Yeah, the factory rotors are drilled.
Yeah.
And then I've got these. I think it's like Zanelli or something. Just got them on tray me and then
Got a bit of brake dust.
yeah. Yeah, heaps of brake dust. Got that drone on the job. Did your car get hot at all on the Touge?
Nah, it was all good. Just didn't get any hotter than 90 degrees.
That's all good. Yeah, my water stayed at like 88 or 80. Yeah, in the 80s.
Yeah,
so
no, it was good.
I was like stoked as.
I just feel the heat from the tunnel though, bro. It was just like.
Oh, true.
Like, even just like traveling, bro, you could just feel the heat just coming out from the center console.
Yeah. Yeah, the water stayed sweet as. But and the oil. I just have the factory like oil temp gauge in the middle, and it was sweet. So.
Have you not chucked your new one in yet?
Nah, I got like the sensor. I just need to wire it up and then configure it with my dash.
Yeah.
So that's probably my next job. I want to sort out my boost. Like I don't know what boost I'm running. Like the boost on my digital dash.
Yeah.
It like reads funny. Like it's not actually boost. It's got some other input going into it.
Oh, really?
So I just need to play around and figure out what the actual boost input is, because it's got like 5 different boost inputs from the ECU.
Okay.
But yeah, that's why I was like a bit worried, bro, because it sounds so different when it's boosting now, bro. Like, and like, yeah, I don't know what it is.
Finally breaking
Yeah.
it in, bro.
Greg done himself a mischief. Mean rolling job, cuz. Got the flares on. Rip. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. That Touge run was awesome with Greg and his RX-7 and Leo along to take some photos and videos. So yeah, there will definitely be heaps of Instagram content coming from that. Drop him a follow, he's Shots by Leo on Instagram. We'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, overall, awesome Touge run. A couple little issues with the power and the GTRs being a bit funny with the boost. Yeah, no, it was totally worth it. It was a real good drive. We didn't know those roads really, so we just took it easy. Drop a like, a subscribe, help us out. Maybe check out our merch on our shop as well. Here's RX-7 and R32 Gtr tees for sale, so help us out would be mean, and we can keep making more content.